Hey collectors, here is a look at Muscle Bear Voltron, and I would like to thank Hobby Corner for this link in the description below. Check them out. Voltron comes in a carton box and there are two plastic trays. The first one containing all the five lions and the second tray has all the accessories. This is the Muscle Bear version, which is why there are no bases and pilots included in the package. Each of the lions are packed in a separate plastic bag, and the blue and the yellow lion's head are removed, so you have to assemble them. Most of the first release batches for this Voltron by Muscle Bear has complaints that the legs of each lion, the blue and the yellow one, pops out. But my version has them tightly inserted into the holes. No need to squeeze. And remember, this cover has a 2 hinge. So be careful when you are putting the covers over the leg of the lion. Here is the yellow lion with the head inserted to the peg, and when you are assembling the full robot you have to press this button in order to adjust the hole inside and lock in the leg of the black lion. With the blue lion, I encountered a looseness in the leg. This one, it swivels out easily and there is no ratchet sound when I am turning it. Plus, the ankle joint is a little bit loose, but that is tolerable rather than having all of the legs popping out when you are moving it. With the red and green lion, there are no loose joints that I have encountered. And remember, since this is technically a copy of the original Blitzway version, there are no pilots inside the cockpits of each lions. With the Black Lion, the problem that I've encountered is that this panel does not lock in properly. So it keeps on popping out. And I hope I can find a simple solution to address that problem. And remember, there is no instruction booklet included with this copy of Voltron. In order to lock this part of the chest, this small red piece is movable. It slides left to right. So when you are going to lock this panel for the leg of the black lion, you have to extend this part and then insert this and then move it in along with pushing this part inward too so that it will properly lock into place. Do not force that tab or it will be broken. And here we have the complete robot fully assembled Voltron by Muscle Bear. And I would like to remind everyone that this is a copy of the one released by Blitzway. It has no light up effects for each lion's eyes. There are no pilots in the cockpit and there are no mini figures of the pilots. Plus there is no base and there is no stand for the lions. Here is the backside of the robot, and aside from those things that were left out in order to bring the price down for this robot, there is also no instruction manual included, so you have to rely on the reviews posted online by both version of Blitzway and Muscle Bear. Here is a comparison shot between the Muscle Bear Voltron Lion Force and the DX Voltes 5 by Bandai. There is a significant height difference between the two. And although Voltes 5 is the favorite robot here in the Philippines, Voltron is also well known. And in the middle of them, there is Deimos. But as of 2026, there is no plans for Deimos to be released in the DX form. And here is a look at the backside of both combiners. Again, with the copy of Voltron from Blitzway, he is much heavier than the DX Voltes 5 by Bandai. Here is the side profile of both combiners. And again, Voltron is much taller than Voltes 5. And when I was a kid, I thought most of them have the same height, but when you really search online, you can see that Voltron is significantly bigger than Voltes 5. So here is the part where we take off the arms first to disassemble Voltron. You only have to pull it. No need for excessive force. So here is the peg that connects it to the body. To separate the legs, first hold firmly the Black Lion and then press this button, also on the Blue Lion, to release the Black Lion's leg and then pull it up slowly. Remember, this is one heavy combiner robot. And finally, for the Black Lion to separate this part of his shoulder, first pull this one out and then slide this red piece out so that it will unlock from the middle of the chest piece. And then with that, you can now transform him to his lion mode.